Hello, welcome to otfdha TV. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you a quick lunch that I make for my kids. It's a macaroni with vegetables. This recipe is so easy to make and it turns out so delicious. Today I'm being helped by my trusted assistant. He insisted on cutting vegetables for me. So yeah, some of my vegetables were cut by him. These are the things I'm using for this recipe. A full list will be in the description. Please check it out. So I'm going to start off cooking the macaroni according to the instruction on the label. The difference is that I seasoned mine. I put in some thyme, some curry, half a seasoning cube, just to make sure it isn't bland when I'm mixing it with the vegetables. You can see that I added salt earlier. Cover it, cook it until it's ready, strain it, and keep it aside. After that, I move on straight to making the vegetables. I used half a cup of vegetable oil. When it was hot, I put my onions inside. I also added ginger and garlic that I pounded. It's looking that way because I pounded it in the same mortar I pounded my peppers in. So we'll leave this for about 2 minutes before adding in the peas. I'm putting the peas first because they'll take longer to cook. Added my pepper, mixed properly. The pepper you add will depend on how much pepper you can stand. After about 2 minutes, I put in my carrots and green beans. They are going to cook almost about the same time. That's why I like cutting my vegetables kind of the same size so that they cook evenly. Put in 2 seasoning cubes. Just make sure you season your things well. I put in 2 seasoning cubes, a teaspoon of curry, and mix it up properly. I added my salt and mixed again. All this is just to make sure that the vegetables have taste. They are not bland. I put in my red bell pepper. I want my vegetables cooked properly because kids are eating this. If I were the one eating this, I'd make it kind of like half done. I'll still want it crunchy, but I noticed that when I give my kids vegetables that are still kind of crunchy, they don't enjoy it too much. So I made sure my vegetable cooked through but weren't soggy. The vegetables are almost cooked through. So I'm putting in my macaroni to mix it properly, kind of like fried rice. Mix it properly. Guys, make sure you season your macaroni properly. Don't overdo it because you're also going to season your vegetables, and if you over season your macaroni, if you get too salty, it's not be nice. Just make sure there's a balance. You season your macaroni a bit, then you season your vegetables properly so that when you mix them together, it will give you a good taste. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I make videos on cooking and baking. If you're already a subscriber and you're watching this video, I appreciate you guys so much. Guys, we are over 22,000 on this channel. 22,000 of you clicked the subscribe button. I don't take that for granted. Thank you so much. Make sure you mix it properly. Taste it. Don't forget, taste it so that you know if you have to add anything. Your macaroni is ready. It's that easy, guys. This is something my kids really enjoy. Guys, I'm enjoying the feedback. You guys have been giving me feedback on the recipes you've been trying. I'm enjoying it so much. I'm really grateful that and happy that you're finding my content useful. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.